Brands are spending hundreds of thousands of dollars on fashion campaigns that only last a few weeks. We are in the era of UGC, also known as user-generated content. Today, you can create fashion commercials that look like they belong in Vogue, Gucci, or Prada campaigns using nothing but AI. And the craziest part, the entire workflow takes less than 15 minutes. In this video, I'll show you my exact process for creating cinematic fashion ads using ChatGPT, Midjourney, Google Flow, and CapCut. Let's get started. Before generating anything, we need a creative direction. This is the mistake most people make. They jump straight into image generation without knowing what story they're trying to tell. The result? Random clips that look good individually but don't feel like a real campaign. So let's start with ChatGPT. I'll ask it to create a luxury fashion campaign concept. Story structure, product positioning, visual style, camera directions, mood, and atmosphere. Here's the prompt I'm using. Create a luxury fashion commercial concept for a premium handbag brand. Include a storyline, visual style, locations, camera angles, lighting, soundtrack recommendations, and a 3-scene commercial structure. Within seconds, ChatGPT creates a complete campaign blueprint. Now we know exactly what we're building. Next, we need our main character. First, I will get an inspiration image. I always get my inspiration from Pinterest. I simply searched for beautiful woman. Made sure I filtered to only see AI modified images, as I wouldn't want to use the likeness of someone who exists. This is the image I chose to use and then searched for a leather handbag. After browsing through Pinterest, this is the image I decided to use. For the next step, I'm using Nano Banana Pro in Midjourney. You can also use Flux if you prefer. I'll upload a reference image and use the character reference feature. I'll also set the aspect ratio to 16:8. This allows Midjourney to keep my face consistent across multiple images. Consistency is everything in fashion advertising. This is the prompt I'm using. The image already looks like it came from a professional photo shoot. Save this as image 1. Now let's create the hero product. In my example, it's a luxury handbag. The prompt focuses entirely on the product. No model, no distractions, just premium presentation. The goal is to capture leather texture, metal details, reflections, studio quality lighting. Fashion ads sell desire, and desire comes from details. Generate your image and save it. Every luxury campaign needs a world. The location tells the audience who the product is for. For this example, I'm creating a modern luxury art gallery. Large windows, marble floors, minimalist architecture, natural light. The location should feel expensive before the product even appears. Generate that image and save it. Now combine everything. The model, the product, the location. Now comes the fun part. We're heading into Google Flow. This is where static images become cinematic videos. Create a new project. Upload your hero image. For the first clip, we're creating an establishing shot. I'll upload both my image and paste my prompt before generating. The results are honestly incredible. The movement feels natural, the camera work looks professional, and most importantly, the product remains visible throughout the shot. Luxury advertising is all about details. Now we'll generate a second clip focusing entirely on the handbag. Use the product image as a reference. This time we want close-up shots, slow camera movement, texture, highlights, premium lighting. Think of the kind of shots you'd see in a Gucci commercial. For the final clip, we want confidence. The model stops, turns toward the camera, and presents the product. Use the hero image again as a reference and focus on elegant movement. This completes our campaign. Now it's time to assemble the commercial. I'm using CapCut. Import all clips, arrange them in order, add cinematic transitions, add luxury background music, use slow pacing, don't rush the edit. Luxury advertising is all about restraint. Every shot should feel intentional. After a few minutes of editing, you end up with a fashion commercial that genuinely looks like it came from a professional creative agency. And that's it, an entire luxury fashion campaign created with AI. No cameras, no models, no expensive studio, just a handful of AI tools and a solid workflow. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments. What kind of AI commercial should we create next? Perfume ads, car commercials, jewelry campaigns? I'll see you in the next one.